They were bold and strange. Some were interesting and unique, others served a specific purpose, and some looked like a school project assembled in the backyard. Welcome to 10 most strangest and weirdest cars ever made.
Ha! Amazing!
Number 10. 1956 BMW Issetta. It looks like a headless beetle on wheels, or a bug with a fridge-like door. Produced in 1955, the Issetta was the weirdest car, unlike anything seen before. The whole front end was a door, and yes, the dashboard and the steering swung open with the entire single door. In the event of a crash, which probably would leave the occupants squashed, the exit would be through the canvas roof. It topped selling with over 161,000 units sold. A fully restored Issetta can top up to $40,000. Number 9. 1962 Pea P50. Produced by Pea Engineering Company, the microcar earned the Guinness World Record title of the smallest production car. It weighed 123 pounds. The car had no reverse gear and was maneuvered manually using the handle at the rear. Also, the mono-eyed little car could only sit 1 pax and a grocery bag. Notably, the vehicle is still in production but, of course, with improved reverse gear and all that comes with a modern car. Number 8. 1953 Firebird I XP-21. The design was impressive to kids, that is. Otherwise, the style was impractical. The jet fighter on wheels had a bubble-like canopy and a single-sit cockpit. Assuming the front end was the hood, the car looked like a giant bullet on wheels with the exhaust pipes mimicking an airplane's engine. Too much weirdness was going on here, and the successors were no better. Luckily, all were concept cars. Number 7. 1970 Ferrari 512S Modulo. The Ferrari 512S Modulo debuted at a 1970 Geneva Motor Show. It seems the designer, Paolo Martin, was not aiming for beauty when he sketched the Modulo. Only one was made and later sold to an American car enthusiast. From the side view, the body seems to have been mounted on a bow-like chassis with a canopy-style glass shield sliding, to allow entry into the cabin. Number 6. 1974 Vanguard Sebring Citicar. This one was nothing more than a cheese wedge, powered by an electric motor the 70s were supposed to embrace in the wake of the oil crisis. The awkward style didn't leave much to be desired in the interior in terms of space either. Its mediocre performance of 36 miles per hour didn't help much. The production of the Citicar stopped in 1979, and with the emergence of electric cars, this one remains a historical relic. Number 5. 1999 Fiat Multipla. There's no denying the design is weird, and there's a lot of confusion going on here. First, the Multipla gives the impression of a small car on top of a longer car, molded together. Nevertheless, the Fiat Multipla was a practical family car produced between 1998 and 2010. It featured 2 rows with a seating capacity of 3 in each. Although the car looked like a psychotic duck, it was spacious and excellent to drive. Number 4. 1999 Honda Fuya Joe. Intended for the younger generation who love the nightlife, the Fuya Joe, also known as Sleepless Night, was low enough to make revelers skate through the city, and sufficiently tall to allow them to stand and dance their way from venue to venue. Also, the dashboard mimicked a club theme. Number 3. 1989 Nissan S Cargo. We refer to the Nissan S Cargo as a small, boxy, and quirky car that should never have seen the light of day. It was too tiny for even small cargo. The production of the Nissan S Cargo ran for 3 years, with 8,000 units produced. Number 2. 2017 Karlman King. The manufacture of the most expensive SUV globally started in 2017 in Italy and the United States. Powered by a 6.8 liters V10 engine producing 398 horsepower, the heavy machine can only manage 87 miles per hour. The Karlman King features a coffee machine, optional bulletproofing, a flat-screen TV, a laptop, and a fridge, among other desirable features. Number 1. Pea Car. Built on the chassis of an off-road go-kart, the Pea Car features headlights from a VW Beetle and is fitted with a Honda engine, though the car lacks gears. It can reach a top speed of approximately 60 miles per hour and was built to purposefully fall apart during the commercial. If you are interested in giving peas a chance, the Pea Car is reportedly on display at the Unilever Ice Cream and Frozen Foods Company. Thank you for watching. If you like this type of content, please leave a like, comment and subscribe to make the algorithm god happy.